How to get YouTube Premium for free. Hello guys, this is Atticus. Welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can get YouTube Premium trial for free. So let's get started. First things first, just open up your YouTube. After you open your YouTube, go to your profile that's on the bottom right. Now after you tap on it, tap on the settings that's on the top right. Now after you tap on it, under the account section, you will see purchases and memberships. Tap on it. Now after you tap on it, you will see the offers from YouTube. Now right here, you will see the premium option. Now I already have gotten my premium option, so you'll get the premium option right here under the offers from YouTube. Now depending on your region, you'll get from 1 month to 3 months. Now you can tap on it, and then after you tap on it, tap on confirm, and you will get your YouTube Premium trial from 1 month to 3 months. It can range depending on your region, and you can basically use it. So that is how you get YouTube Premium for free. And thanks for watching. That is all for this video. Stay tuned for more, and bye bye. Take care.